Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you find Twitter users from contact list. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Twitter. So from here, tap on your profile picture here and tap on followers. Now, when you're here, you tap on this plus icon here. Now here it says see who you already know on Twitter. So let's tap on get started. And here it is going to sync all your contacts on your phone who are on Twitter. So let's tap on sync contacts. Now, these are all the people from my phone who are also in Twitter. So I can choose who I want to follow here and tap on next. All right, so that is how you find Twitter users from your phone's contacts. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.